Welcome back. Continuing the news. The long anticipated new market in Buff Bay, Portland is now operational. Officials say the facility will play a key role in the parish's economic growth. Deidre Thomas reports.
For decades, the Buff Bay market in Portland has been the lifeline for vendors and shoppers. But until now, its condition often reflected years of neglect. That changed recently with the official opening of a $55 million state-of-the-art facility.
I've been selling on the street from 2012. And I'm telling you, I've had a lot of bad experience. Rain come wet, everything them wet up. Me feel like me things them all over, people destroy them. Why? It's like not saying you guys. It's like I'm so happy, I'm so thankful because I'm prayed for a store. And this is a store. This is more than what I'm so thankful.
Currently, Jamaica has 37 markets, and officials say 97% of them are over 100 years old. Speaking at the opening ceremony of the market on Friday, Minister of Local Government Desmond McKenzie says upgrading these spaces are critical for driving economic growth.
Markets are critical to the economy of the country. It is a source of revenues that the local authorities benefit from significantly. Close to 30% of the revenues of the local authorities come from markets.
Minister McKenzie added that this design will now serve as a template for markets across the island when upgrades or new facilities are being built. Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for Western Portland, Darrell Vaz, says that while Buff Bay has seen several improvements over the past decade, the market has been a long source of contention as it failed to meet the vendors' needs. He says this opening marks a significant milestone for the constituency.
So let me use the opportunity to encourage our vendors to use the facility while we restore order to our town. It's my hope that at some point, all the 48 stalls will be occupied by persons selling farm produce and the other 6 stands in haberdashery, and of course, our meat and fish section fully occupied. This reopening today is an encouragement to restart discussions with the Fishery Division of the Ministry of Agriculture to also upgrade the fish shop across the road to integrate both.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
And we take another break. News from overseas when we return.